Hey guys, happy Monday. I woke up pretty early because I needed to move my car. My apartment situation with the whole parking of the car is very inconvenient. So I moved my car and then Trader Joe's opens up at 8. I needed fresh groceries and I figured what better way to start this week's vlog out with than some new produce and goodies, which I'm very excited about. So I'm gonna show you what I purchased. First and foremost, I got some kale. This is the organic Tuscan kale. I'm making a lentil soup today in the crock pot. It's kind of rainy out and gloomy, so I figured a soup would just be like the perfect thing to do, especially because I am working from home today. I don't have any events, so I'll be able to tend to my crock pot. I also got some carrots for the soup, a bag of lemons. You guys know I've been drinking lemon water every single day before I have my cup of coffee, and I really do think it helps. People are like, do you notice the difference? Over time, I think you will. You're just obviously gonna be more hydrated than you would had you not had the lemon water. Lemon's really also good to detoxify the body, so I am enjoying that healthy habit. I feel awkward, I'm like kind of hunching, but I guess I don't need to. I have two Faye 2% yogurts. Got some garlic powder because I was running out. This is one of those staples that I've realized I just need to keep some sort of like pasta in the house for when I kind of want like some comfort food, but just kind of need to throw something together. This is the organic red lentil sedini. The only ingredients is organic red lentil flour, so that's cool. I got some blackberries. I picked up acai packets yesterday from Trader Joe's and I think that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast, so I got that to top it with. I have 2 apples, the other one is buried down somewhere. They're Envy apples, those are my favorite. Coconut creamer, small whole green lentils, again for my lentil soup. I picked up 2 of these Perfect bars. I've been hearing people talk about them, so I figured, you know, why not try them myself? I love little bars like this for on the go. This is the chocolate walnut brownie, which I'm stoked to try. And then the other one is dark chocolate peanut butter. I got some organic baby mushrooms, a can of organic tomatoes for my soup. Here's the other apple. This is the Colombian coffee K-cups. Gonna make myself a cup of that as soon as my water is finished. I got some organic vegetable stock for the soup, some unsweetened almond milk, 2 avocados, an onion, and ground cinnamon. So that's it for my grocery haul. Luckily enough, Trader Joe's is, I could throw a rock to it from my apartment. So it's very convenient. Whenever I run out of something, I just, you know, head over there and pick up what I need. I like to stock up on my essentials in the beginning of the week so I can ingredient prep and kind of have that ready for the remainder of the week. So this is gonna be the start of the vlog with some healthy food. I'm gonna make myself my lemon water and an acai bowl, and I'll check in with you in a little bit. Okay, so this has been cooking on low for about 4.5 hours. It is definitely ready to be eaten, which I'm stoked about. I showed you all the ingredients, but I will list the Pinterest recipe down below if you want to check it out and make it for yourself. Definitely a great source of vegetarian protein because of the lentils. So if you're looking for a new plant-based recipe, here you go. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I had to think about that for a second. I'm here with Natalia. She's the owner of Babes, so every time I talk about Babes and when I'm doing events for them, I'm talking about her. So she is my boss babe, and we are actually in Miami again. We're back. We might be coming down here a little bit more often, but we are heading to a Pop Sugar PR event, which I'm really excited about. It's over here in Brickell, so it's at the W Residences, which I've never been to before. So I'm really excited to see what this event holds. I actually think it's my first PR event ever, and I was personally invited, so I feel very, very cool about that. So we're gonna go explore the event, kind of network and mingle a little bit, and then kind of see where the night takes us. So figured I would start the vlog here and catch up to you when the real fun begins, which is gonna be right about now. Hi guys, happy Friday. So I didn't do too much vlogging this week. I kind of was just occupied with work, and then I had a couple events that I needed to attend, and now I had an opportunity come up, and I'm going to Austin, Texas this weekend. So I'm going there for a global ambassador search. There's this big contest that I am participating in. So they're flying me out, they're taking care of my stay, and there's 20 girls coming from Florida. We're all gonna be there this weekend, so hopefully I make some new friendships out of it, and you know, hopefully get chosen to attend the finals, which is in Saint-Tropez, so fingers crossed. I do want to make, you know, of course I always have to add some sort of like advice and life chats in all of these, you know, clips. This was an opportunity that was presented to me and I kind of disregarded it. I was busy, I didn't really check out the email, and luckily enough the girl followed up with me again, was like, hey, like I think you would be great for this, like did you see the email? Pay attention to your emails, pay attention to opportunities. Things like this will easily slip past you, and not everyone's going to follow up with you to make sure that you saw their proposition. So be aware of stuff, even if you have a busy lifestyle going on. Sometimes you can miss things so quickly and they're gonna slip right out of your fingers, and something that may have changed your life, you're not gonna be able to take advantage of it. So I'm very excited to do this weekend. It's definitely going out of my comfort zone. I don't really know anyone, but hopefully I make some friends out of it. And of course you guys are gonna get to see what I've been up to. So this vlog was supposed to be just a regular one, and now I have a little vacation thrown into it. So come along with me to Texas.
My hands, your bones, loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in the haze and glow. My hands, your bones, loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Your name I'll never know as we get down in the road.
Hey guys, I thought I would provide you with some deja vu of a couple weekends ago's vlogs. I have my fresh kitchen. I just got back from Austin, Texas. I'm absolutely exhausted. I've been hungover all day. I have on my makeup from last night. It's now almost 9:00 p.m. and I wish I was kidding. Like I wish this wasn't my life, though, but it is. So I can't wait to shower and eat this food and just relax. I had a really, really good time. I met a bunch of really cool girls, so I definitely came out with some new friendships, hopefully also a new business opportunity. So overall, it was just a really good weekend. But tomorrow, we're hitting the reset button, back to reality, back to life, eating good, working out, and no drinking until Thursday. I'm going to a concert on Thursday, which you guys are gonna obviously come with me for that. So at least I have a couple days to recover, but I thought I would end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Engage with me on my channel. Not only do I need it for the sense that like I need my videos to get out there, I find that engagement helps actually kind of spreading the word about my channel. And also because I want to hear from you guys. Are you enjoying my vlogs? What do you like about my vlogs, and what would you like to see more of? So please let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.